Welcome back to Top Reviews. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Without wasting time, let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about CourseMate. First of all, we need to know what is CourseMate. CourseMate is a e-learn website which is booming like anything right now. It's like a Udemy website, but when it comes to Udemy, we need to create our videos, content, and we need to upload. Then we need to generate the leads. If we can't generate the leads, we need to spend the more money to generate the lead. This CourseMate is giving you a beautiful opportunity to create the content without creating videos. To create a website, we need to spend a lot of money and SEO optimize, SSL certificates for security purpose, and we need to create a payment method. There are many steps to create a website, but here when it comes to CourseMate, you no need to create any website, no need to create any course like this. See, they are provided. No need to create any course, no need to create any content, no need to set up a shop card and payment process system, no need to do anything customer support. Like when it comes to any product we are launching, we need to get back to the customers and we give support to the customers. There is a lot of process in the customer support. We no need to worry about this, and no need to pay for any hosting cost. If we create our own website, we need to buy a hosting, but when it comes to CourseMate, we no need to pay any hosting fees. Is a great opportunity, guys. No need to pay third party for emails. No more struggling trying to work out how you will make money online. Only one simple step. Just what you need to do is, all you need to do is enter your Udemy affiliate ID, choose a niche and click the button. Okay, that's it. Don't worry if you not have an affiliate ID, it's very easy to create an affiliate ID. Just select the niche and take the affiliate link from the Udemy, just paste it in the CourseMate. No need to worry about it. Get more and more Udemy like courses added to your site each week. This is a great opportunity, guys. No one created like this ever before. Just see this. Every week they are adding your one course to your website. Okay, get daily highly content for your site on total autopilot. Whatever the niche you have chosen, they will create the content on that niche. You no need to create a blog. 100% automated Google ranking for traffic. See, guys, this is the main part of this course. They are creating 100% automated Google ranking for traffic. So when it comes to anything, we need to generate the traffic. That's the main thing. They are providing 100% automated Google ranking for traffic. See, guys, this is our new launching website. Just use it and utilize it. Whenever any product is launching, first comes first serve. So what I'm telling is, there is a Udemy, but there is a huge traffic and there is a huge competition also. So when it comes to new website, just utilize that website and you will be the first person to generate the traffic. Utilize the traffic. They are providing a lot of traffic. One more thing, guys, fully integrated auto response service, just like Aweber or GetResponse. Just like Aweber and GetResponse for your site, but with no monthly fees. 100% automate email marketing campaign. Wow, it's amazing opportunity, guys. You know that when it comes to whatever it may be, the Amazon, Ajio, which are the top companies at the present, when it comes to email marketing, they are spending a lot of money to promote their launchings and to promote their products and all. The email marketing is a very key point, very important and key point to the marketing. See, they are providing 100% automated email marketing campaigns. Wow, it's amazing. No need to write anything content for email also. They are creating their own email. No manual work is needed. 24/7 100% automation. Just one click is enough to create the content and create a website and create the website style and all, and add banner, ads plus option form for wherever you want. We need to pay for the hosting websites as per yearly basis, and we need to pay some amount for domain. But when it comes to CourseMate, you don't need to pay for the domain and no need to pay for the hosting costs. See, it's an amazing opportunity. Just go on and register to the CourseMate. This is a new launching website. It's booming like anything. Just believe me, it's booming like anything, because you no need to create the content, no need to worry about the content, no need to promotion, no need to worry about the traffic. Just one click, everything will be done. So just blindly go to the description and click the link in the description and just register for the CourseMate and make money like anything in a simple way. When you register from the link in the description, you will get the bonus. There are two bonus they are providing. So they are providing two bonuses. One bonus is Byte Marketer Ultimate Guide to Ranking on Google page. For social media traffic also they are providing one bonus. They are providing money back opportunity also. Okay, 30 days 100% satisfaction money back guarantee. One more thing, they are providing monthly fees. They are providing 2 monthly fees and one time free limited offer. So guys, I prefer you to go for one time fee limited offers. Okay, you just need to pay for one time and the offer will be for lifetime. If you have money, just go for one time fee limited offer. Just go on and click the link in the description and create your CourseMate just with a single button. CourseMate is providing like nothing you need to create. You don't need to create content, you don't need to worry about the website, you don't need to worry about the hosting costs, hosting fees, and no need to worry about the traffic, and no need to worry about the SEO, no need to worry about the SSL, no need to worry about the payment gateway. So these all are main important things to generate leads and for customer satisfaction. They are creating autopilot email campaign also. See guys, this CourseMate is creating the new era. This is creating new era, never like before. Go to the link in the description and create your CourseMate. Just start your earnings with a single click. One more thing, they are providing 2 bonuses. One is for ranking on the Google page, and one more thing is social media traffic, and one more opportunity which is specially giving from my side to the people who is creating CourseMate from my link which is provided in the description. I am giving their amazing bonus for making money online tips ebook. It's worth of $100 just for free. Already you are getting 2 bonuses. I am providing one more bonus to the viewers who is buying through my link which is provided in the description. You need to do is just after purchasing the CourseMate, just take the screenshot and message me in the Instagram. I will provide the Instagram link also. Thank you guys, keep supporting, do subscribe, press the bell icon for the more updates. Okay, thank you.